Hey Audrey, it's December. Do you know what that means?
Oh no!
Christmas. Let's decorate.
Boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
Mom, Cooper's eating Elf Rogers.
I say let him eat it.
Cumbria.
What? They're terrible this year.
Elf Rogers is safe, Audrey.
Yeah.
Looks like Cooper found your Santa outfit.
Oh, put it on, put it on. Now.
Oh good God! You look absolutely ridiculous.